Somebody asked me the other day if I can see the final products, and I think it was in the living room. So everything we were going for was just like a disappointing trip. June 20th. Somebody asked me the other day if I can see the final products, and I think it was in the living room. They want to see the finished product. Well, it's not done. Like, as you can see, there's still a hot mess going on all over the place. And it's mostly due to the fact that we have to get the flooring done inside here. So we have this ugly vinyl, this ugly vinyl that's on the floor. We bought new flooring, which is outside in the garage right now, and we are going to be putting that in. We got that at Lynn's here in town. And then last week happened, which was super crazy. I went on that PBL training, and so I was gone for 3 days, and so I just didn't get a lot done last week either. So I have been working on today getting this bookcase done. So I will kind of show you guys basically what I've done. So I painted all these gray. The back is the blue that we had when we did the walls. It's the same color as the walls. And then these little pieces here are, I didn't know as I was doing them, but they pop out. So I need to finish painting them, but ran out of paint. So story of my life. I am trying to get this finished though, but I have a lot of it done. There are a few pieces, but when I pulled the tape off, it peeled off some of the paint, so I need to go back and touch that up. So that's the reason that the living room has not been finished. So yes, I will do a final tour type thing of a lot of the stuff that we worked on, but it's just not done. Like, it's just honest, it's not done. So I was really going home in the beginning, and that's what was happening was I was popping out videos like crazy, which was seeming like they were going, like I was getting a lot done, but really it was just like I was getting a lot done, but it was just all happening very quickly. And I was putting the videos out, so I was like way ahead on videos, and I'm not really way ahead on videos anymore. Just because as I've been working, or as I've been doing stuff, like I try to keep it ahead as much as possible. I'm having major issues right now with my editing computer. It's having I don't know, something with Adobe Premiere is having issues, and it's telling me my files were like not corrupted. I can't remember what it said. It was like they weren't exported correctly or something, which was funny because I was just using them and then it just stopped working. So I had to uninstall it and reinstall it, and it was working fine this morning. So I'm about almost done with this video, which is the video of my office, which is not done, but it has a lot of it done. So I've just been trying to stay ahead on things. But that's where we're at. I don't have a finished project at all. Let's be completely honest. None of the projects are completely finished. So, but they're getting there. And I think the living room is almost done. We just have to get the flooring laid down, put all the baseboards up, and I think we're pretty much done, and we're ready to like unpack all the stuff that's like sitting all over the place. Like, it's just everywhere. It's getting there. The kitchen's gonna be a hot mess for a long time. We're having some major issues. I'm not even going to go into great details. We're having some issues with the selling of our other house, which is not our thing. It's not on our side. It's on the buyer's side. So who knows what's going on with that. So we're still kind of like, we're waiting on that to do the kitchen. The kitchen's going to be a total overhaul. And then we have to get the hallway done. And so I had to paint the hallway and paint all the trim. I need to do this door here, but I ran out of paint, which is the same color as the bookshelves, which is the same color as all the doors. It's this gray color here. I have completely run out of that color. So I think I have enough probably to finish off these two little pieces that I have here. But other than that, that's it. Like, I'm out of paint. But anyway, so I just want to give you guys a check-in. I have not talked to you guys in quite a while. So just wanted to check in, let you guys know what's going on. So. Good morning. It is Friday, June 21st. We ran out of coffee. Well, really, I forgot to make coffee last night. I just had the little pitcher. And so I was just like, it's Friday, and I usually go get coffee on Fridays. So I was like, I'll go to Granada. So I'm going to the Granada Coffee House, which is a coffee house that is part of a place called the Sweet Granada, which is like right next door to it, I think. And Sweet Granada sells like chocolates and candies and stuff. So this here is their coffee part. So that's where I'm going to. And today the teacher tag goes up. Actually, it should be up live right now. It is the Fun in the Summer teacher tag, so if you haven't checked it out yet, go check it out. There are so many teacher tubers that are involved in it, so it'd be really cool. Go check it out. And then I need to get home because I don't have my video done for Mondays, like thing that I usually, because I do my Mondays and Thursdays, so I don't even have that one done. So that's what I've been working on that I've been having tons of issues with, so I'm trying to get that done today. So that's my goal, is to get that one done, so I don't have to worry about it over the weekend, because I think tomorrow Rudy and I are going to Pika. He really wants to go to Target, which I do too, because we haven't been to Target in a while. So I'm gonna go hit up Target. I need to get those little shoe boxes, the plastic shoe boxes, because I need those for organizing all my math manipulatives, which I've been working on some new, what's the word I'm looking for? Some new bins for new labels. You're looking for some too. They're really cool. I'm trying to do them like kind of sketchy and like doodly. And I'm trying to wrap this up quick because I'm going to start hitting bumpy roads here in a second. Because they have brick roads here, and instead of like maintaining some of them, they just keep them all over the place. This one here seems to be maintained pretty well, but pretty soon they're not anymore. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm going to try to get that done today. And I think that's about it, actually. I don't really have much more to go, so I mean, I just need to get that video done. Anyways, I'm gonna get my coffee now. I'll see you guys. All right, I am back, and I have my coffees, and I'm trying to pull out of this parking spot. So they have like these. Okay, so Rudy always gets the Americano every time he comes here. So that's what I got for him. And then they have ones that are called like the Carmelo, which is like a caramel latte. And then they have a Milky Way. That's what I'm trying today because it sounded interesting. I don't know, and just thought I'd give it a try. So that's what I have here. I think mine's the purple one. So well, there's mine. I'm ready to go. Let's try this bad boy. Pretty good. I like the Carmelo better though. That one's pretty good though.
be a messy burrito. I should have just gotten a bowl. I
That's
wish
what-
they could give you a bowl with a... Yeah, you know, it's definitely not like a knife with a burrito.
Oh no. Those look cute. Is that one a... Good morning. It is Sunday, June 23rd. I can't believe it's June 23rd. Like, it's almost already the end of June. And we've already been we've already been moved for almost a month now. That's so weird. And it's raining like crazy out here, so yeah, it's been fun. Filling in yesterday because I didn't get time to talk at all really because it was just like so crazy. But we went on a trip, and it was like one of the most disappointing trips in a long time. Like, we went to go shopping out of town, and it was like so disappointing. We were like so excited to go to Target. We're like, yeah, we're going to Target. The Target in Topeka sucks. Like, it is the worst. There was nothing in the store. I'm like, how do you guys sell anything? So I text my sister because she told me like that Target, like especially she was mostly talking about their dollar spot. She's like, it's not very good. And so I was like, oh, okay, like thinking it's gonna be small. And everything was so small. They had an L shape, I guess you would call it, and then this little tiny pod in the middle. That was it. And so I texted her and I'm like, God, this really does suck. She's like, the whole store sucks. And so then I got to the rest of the store. I'm like, yeah. She's like, so I told her, I'm like, yeah, it does. This whole store is horrible. She's like, that's why I don't go to that store. So, but yeah, the trip was very disappointing. So we went to Target first, and then we went to, so that was where we like went, we tried to find some stuff, and it was just like there was nothing in that store that we really wanted. So we did buy a couple things, like stuff that we needed, but, and then we went to Michael's, and there was like nothing. I don't think we bought anything in Michael's. Like, we walked around the store, and we're like, this is ridiculous, and we left. You know, we didn't go to Michael's, we went to TJ Maxx first. That's what it was. We went to TJ Maxx, walked on TJ Maxx, we found a couple things that we were looking for at TJ Maxx. So that one wasn't too bad. And then we went to Michael's. First we went to go eat at Chipotle. So we went over to eat at Chipotle, then we went to Michael's, and then after Michael's, we went to Ross, I believe, and then Tuesday morning, and then we were like, okay, let's go get our flooring and everything. So we went to Menards because Menards was supposed to have the flooring that we wanted, but we couldn't find anything there that we really liked. And the stuff was like way pricier than what it showed online. So we were like, okay, let's try Lowe's. We went to Lowe's, and I'm still like, I'm not feeling this floor. Like, it's just expensive, and it's not really what I'm looking for. So then we went over to Home Depot, which is our last place that we went to, and I'm so glad we finally done flooring, because it was like, we couldn't find it anywhere. Like, that was so disappointing. So everything we were going for was just like a disappointing trip. It was so sad. But I will do a haul of some of the stuff that I got, because I did get a couple things. Like, I got a couple things for my classroom. But yeah, I got a couple things for the classroom. So I'm gonna do a quick little haul too later. Probably not today though, because we ripped out like all the flooring in Rudy's office, because we're doing his office first, just because he has to work in it. And so we did his office first. So we ripped all his flooring, like all his stuff out. So yeah, then hopefully I'll get mine set up at some point, but I don't know. Hey guys, so I had told you I was going to do a little haul of some of the stuff that we got. I am not going to show you everything, but I got some of the stuff that I bought when we were out shopping. So the other day, Rudy and I went to Hobby Lobby. I think that was on Friday, and we went crazy because there was tons of stuff on clearance. So we were like all over the place looking at stuff. I got these bookends when we were at Target, which didn't have a lot of stuff there, but because that Target was kind of crappy. But I ended up getting this door hanger thing, so I was gonna put it on my closet door so I can hang like my backpack and stuff on it, and hats and whatever. But it has an issue with the top. So like when I put my backpack on it, I think it pulls it forward, which causes the door not to be able to close. So there are these little screw holes on it that I might be able to maybe put a screw in it to see if it will hold it. I don't know, but I'm not sure if I want to do it. When I put on the other door, it like hits and doesn't shut. So I'm gonna work on that, but that was one thing I got. So what was the other thing? Oh, okay, so this is super cool, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna use it, but I thought it'd be cool for Shark Week when I do Shark Week in my classroom. It's a big cardboard shark head. Rudy found it, we were at Tuesday morning, I think, and he saw it, and he was like, this thing is pretty cool. And I'm like, yeah, it is pretty neat. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. And he was like, it's only $1.99. Yeah, it was $1.99. I'm like, okay, we'll just get it. I'll figure out something to do with it, but I thought it was really cool. I want to say that's it, but a while back, I forgot to talk about these, but I was over at our local hardware store, Sutherland's, and they had these huge, like, jumbo plastic paper clips in their dollar area. So there was a package of 144 of these paper clips for $1. So I bought like 4 bags of them so that I thought maybe the kids can use them when we do measurement, because in first grade we do non-standard. So we did things like paper clips and blocks and whatever, string and I don't know, all kinds of stuff. So I thought these would be kind of cool to use as like a center or something. So that was another thing I got. I got 4 bags of these, but that's been like 2 weeks now. So it's been some time since I bought these, but I forgot about them, and I just saw them when they were sitting over there before I got to do this haul. But other than that, that is it. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on all my social medias listed down below. Until next time, don't forget to always be you. Bye.